Good morning students. Welcome to third part of first chapter. We discussed in previous session objectives of business and topic of business risks. In today's session, we will learn about the next two economic activities, that is profession and employment. Let us start with the second type of economic activity, that is profession. Question arises, what is profession? A person with specialized skill, knowledge, training and professional education renders services and in return receives fees. It is called profession. He has to obey the established code of conduct of association. Example, chartered accountant has to have professional qualification of CA and has to become a member of Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. Doctor, lawyer, solicitor, etc. are professional persons. Now come to the characteristics of profession. First characteristic is a professional has to obtain specialized knowledge, skill and professional education. Example, one doctor. He should have degree like MBBS, MD, etc. Second, he charges fees for providing services. However, the standard of fees varies as per his skill, knowledge and experience. Like one doctor charges only ₹100 for one visit and another doctor charges ₹1,000 for one visit. Third characteristic is the primary objective of a professional is to render service. Number 4, it is an independent activity for earning. Fifth point is the professional activity has no relation with production, but it satisfies personal and business needs. For example, a lawyer presents a case in the court on behalf of the client and in turn charges fees. Sixth is, it is essential to obey the code of conduct laid down by the respective professional association. Last one, on certain monetary returns. Now in profession, monetary return remains uncertain. Our third and last type of economic activity is employment. Employment means job. It is an economic activity performed in return for a fixed salary where work is assigned as per the contract. For example, a teacher teaching in a school or a government employee. Now come to characteristics. Number 1, fixed salary at fixed interval. Any kind of physical or mental work which a person does, for that he gets fixed salary at fixed intervals. Number 2, certain other benefits are available in addition to the salary. For example, medical allowance, pension, etc. Employee has to perform the assigned work as per the contract under the control of the employer. This is third characteristic. Fourth is qualification, working hours, retirement, benefits after retirement, etc. of the employee are predetermined. Fifth characteristic, employment is a dependent activity. Sixth, both employer and employee are bound to follow the rules as per the contract. And last characteristic, no capital investment is to be made by the employee. Our next topic is comparison of the types of economic activities, that is business, profession and employment. There are 6 points of difference. Number 1, that is nature of work. Now in business, goods and services are supplied to the customer in exchange of money, while in profession, personal and business services are rendered with discretion in return of fees. Employment, performing work as per the rule and contract. Second difference is, that is qualifications. In business, no qualification is essential, while in profession, educational qualifications, training and expertized knowledge are essential. While in employment, qualification is required as per the nature of job. Third point of difference is reward or return. In business, return is called profit. In profession, return is called fees. While in employment, return is known as salary or wages. Fourth point of difference is capital. Capital is required as per the nature and type of business, while in profession, limited capital is required at the time of establishment, while in employment, no capital is required. Fifth point of difference is risk. Uncertainty of profit and risk of loss remain in business, while in profession, risk of non-receipt of certain fees only is there, while in employment, less risk remains as regular fixed salary is received. Last point of difference is transfer of ownership. In business, transfer of ownership is possible, while in profession, transfer of ownership is not possible. In employment, no title of ownership. So here we complete the third part of chapter 1. So we will continue with the remaining part of chapter 1 in our next and last video. Thank you.